if you clicked on this video right now, you're probably very lost and possibly even disappointed in yourself. You probably feel like nothing is going your way, or even if you're trying your level best, things are not working out for you. If this is you, keep watching. And with that being said, welcome to my channel. My name is Kimaya and I'm determined to talk about things that nobody else talks about and making this a much safer space, especially for teens. Okay. So आज का ये जो वीडियो है ना, it's like very unscripted and very unfiltered. I'm just going to talk about a few things that I feel that should be addressed much more commonly and normally than they are. And yeah, I don't have really much to say about the introduction part, so I'm gonna let the content do the talking this time. So with that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I need to talk to you about is the part where you feel completely frustrated. Okay, let me give you an example. You study hours and hours every single day. You do the questions, you practice the papers, you solve every possible question that you can get your hands on, and then you give your exam. You're probably even confident about it, but then when you get your results back, you're just like, how the hell did this happen? Yeah, let me know in the comments if this has ever happened with you before, and if it has, which I think it most probably has, then trust me, you're not alone. Because I feel like a lot of people go through this, but very few of them actually talk about it. So I want to tell you that if you're frustrated with just trying and trying but not getting the results, I completely get where you're coming from. And let me tell you this with a personal story of mine. Okay, so when I was in 7th grade, it was like maths. Like for me, maths is not a very scoring subject. Okay, I know a lot of you are going to be very baffled at hearing that, but yeah, so I don't necessarily hate maths, but I don't score as well as I do in other subjects. ठीक है, तो क्या हुआ कि मैथ्स के पेपर के टाइम पे ना, आई डेवलप दिस होल थिंग दैट ओ माई गॉड, नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द रिजल्ट्स, एंड जेन्युइनली दिस हैज़ गॉन ऑन फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज आई कैन रिमेंबर नाउ. So I understand how frustrating it is for you to just put in so much effort and still not get the results. Trust me, I get it. I have gone through it more number of times than I can count now. मतलब स्पेशली प्री बोर्ड्स के टाइम पे तो मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई की थी, बट समहाउ वो पेपर में रिफ्लेक्ट ही नहीं होती है वो पढ़ाई, एंड आई गेट इट. Okay, it's extremely frustrating and you just feel like ki, okay, maybe I'm not meant for this, or maybe everybody else is just naturally gifted, or maybe I'm just dumb, right? So I completely understand where you're coming from, and trust me, there's no judgment here. I've been through it myself numerous times, so I know how pathetic that feels. So with that being said, let's move on to the next part, which is द अजम्पशन दैट वी ऑफन मेक, राइट. हमको हमेशा ऐसे लगता है कि अगर मैंने एफर्ट डाले हैं तो मुझे इमीडिएटली रिजल्ट उसका मिलना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैंने इस बार मिड टर्म्स के लिए या फाइनल एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई की है, तो मुझे इसी एग्ज़ाम में उसका प्रॉपर फ्रूट या फिर उसका प्रॉपर रिजल्ट मिलना चाहिए. लेकिन आइडियली ऐसा नहीं होता है. I'm sure all of you have experienced this. Ki maybe you put in a lot of effort for your midterms or your finals or even your unit test, but you did not get the marks that you expected, right? But the problem here is that we often think कि मैंने इतना effort डाला, मुझे इस exam में marks क्यों नहीं मिले? But often life doesn't work that way, and it's not even about life not working that way. It's just that oftentimes results are delayed. Like growth is not linear, right? That is the key concept here. Growth is not linear. So if you work very hard for a particular exam and you don't get the results, we often feel like, okay, maybe I'm not made for this, or maybe this subject is just not my cup of tea. But maybe just stop and give yourself the time to understand that, okay, yeah, I did score less in this subject, but am I expecting immediate result from the effort that I have just recently put in? And if you have, trust me, give it some more time, give it more questions, give it more practice, and then judge yourself. Okay, so with that being said, let us move on to the next part, which is why does this exactly hit you so hard? Okay, now I don't think that I need to explain this very much, because if you've spent months and months working towards a particular goal and you are unable to achieve it, तो आप तो मतलब ऐसे ना पूरी दिल और जान लगा के बैठ जाते हो सब्जेक्ट के साथ कि यार इस बार तो मेरे अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे, या इस बार तो मेरा ये एंट्रेंस क्लियर हो ही जाएगा. और जब वो नहीं होता है ना, तो द इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर दैट यू गो थ्रू, ओ माई गॉड. एंड देन जो पीपल हैव द ऑडेसिटी टू कॉल यू ड्रामेटिक, और पीपल हैव द ऑडेसिटी टू से कि अरे यार आपने तो पढ़ाई ही नहीं की होगी. भाई तुम थे क्या मेरे घर पे? तुमको पता है क्या मेरे रूम में मैं क्या करती थी? 5-5 6-6 घंटे बुक्स लेके बैठी रहती थी. तुमको पता है क्या? तुम रहते हो क्या मेरे साथ? Basically, this is my response if somebody tells me that I've not studied. Literally, if you don't know me, then don't comment on my lifestyle, right? But anyway, that's not the point. The point here is that why you often feel such an emotional roller coaster. I think that is pretty clear, and I just feel like we need to stop associating our self-worth with a particular subject or with a particular exam, because if we do that, then we're just going to be disappointed over and over and over again. So the major reason why this hits us so hard is because we've put in our blood and sweat into it, right? We've put in hours when we could have spent those hours doing absolutely nothing, or we could have spent those hours doing something that we genuinely like. लेकिन नहीं, हमने ये सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ा, हमने उसको इतना टाइम दिया, इतना इंपॉर्टेंस दिया, इतने क्वेश्चंस किए, और फिर भी हमें उसका रिजल्ट नहीं मिला. That is why it hits so hard. With that being said, let us move on to the next thing, which is the comparison trap. Okay. सो ये जो चीज़ है ना, कंपैरिजन, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा डेंजरस है, बट एट द सेम टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा यूजफुल भी है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ इट इज़ यूज्ड. ओके, नाउ इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हु यू कंपेयर योर सेल्फ टू. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर योर सेल्फ टू अदर पीपल, देन दैट्स जस्ट स्टूपिड टू मी. बिकॉज अगर मैं किसी मेरे एक स्टेज के लाइफ में हूँ, मेरे लाइफ में एक स्टेज पे हूँ, तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी उसी स्टेज पे हों, right? They can be having a completely different timeline, and I can just be, I can be at the starting point and they can be at somewhere in the middle, right? And that's totally normal. That's life. That's how humans work. So I don't understand the point of comparing one person to another person when their stories are completely different. But the point where this gets useful is when you compare yourself to yourself. Now that is one of the best things that you can do, because this actually helps you analyze where you stand right now. And what I mean by this is कि अगर आपको यूनिट टेस्ट में 80% आए थे, तो क्या आपको मिड टर्म्स में 85 आए हैं या 75? दैट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू अंडरस्टैंड where you are and where you need to go, right? But if you compare yourself to other people, then that's just a waste of time, and please don't do it. And it is just a trap, and it will just ruin your mental health for no reason. So अगर आपको कंपेयर करने का इतना ही शौक है ना, तो अपने आप से करो. And now to conclude everything, let me tell you the emotional payoff of this entire thing. Basically the entire point of this video is to tell you that if there's something that you can do, it's that you can take a break without declaring that you have failed. You can feel sad without quitting, and you can absolutely try again without declaring yourself as a loser. Because trust me, you are not a loser. You are somebody who just tries again and again and again. Such a person is resilient, not a loser. So please get your vocabulary straight, okay? But jokes apart, if there's one thing that you can take away from this video, it's the fact that shit happens in life, okay? It really does. And at such points it is important to give yourself grace. अगर आपको compare करना ही है, तो अपने आप को अपने आप से करो, और लोगों की ज़्यादा सुनो मत, except for the fact if they're your parents or your teachers. And lastly, you can take a break without declaring that you have quit. So let me know what you think about this in the comments down below, and also tell me how you handle getting less marks or just being disappointed in yourself. So yeah, if you like this video, then make sure to stay tuned and let me know what other content you want me to make. Bye bye.